The 1960s was a golden age of science fiction. Shows like Star Trek and Lost in Space took us to the stars, but how much of their futuristic technology was inspired by real-world advancements? During this era, the space race was in full swing, with NASA making significant strides in space exploration. The imagination of writers and creators was fueled by the rapid technological progress of the time. Concepts like communicators, which resemble today's mobile phones, and advanced computers were not just figments of imagination, but were based on emerging technologies. The depiction of space travel, artificial intelligence, and even the idea of exploring distant planets were reflections of humanity's aspirations and scientific endeavors. These shows didn't just entertain, they inspired a generation to dream big and believe in the possibilities of the future. As the space race heated up, the world watched in awe as rockets soared into the sky, symbolizing human ambition and technological prowess. Fiction and reality seemed to blur, with television shows depicting futuristic gadgets and space adventures that felt almost within reach. Allegations of secret government programs such as the rumored Aurora and reverse-engineered UFO technology fueled public imagination. Declassified documents and blueprints stamped top secret hinted at projects beyond our wildest dreams. These speculations mirrored the wildest sci-fi plots, with sightings of mysterious flying objects and advanced spacecraft designs captivating the public. The line between science fiction and reality was tantalizingly thin, leaving many to wonder what secrets were truly being kept from the world. Take propulsion technology, for instance. In the iconic series Star Trek, the Starship Enterprise used warp drives to zip across galaxies at incredible speeds, defying the limitations of physics as we know them. Meanwhile, back on Earth, real-life scientists were reportedly working on advanced propulsion systems. These efforts included rocket designs and secret propulsion system blueprints. Some of these projects were so advanced that they remain classified to this day, shrouded in mystery and speculation. The U.S. Air Force, for instance, conducted numerous tests on advanced aircraft, pushing the boundaries of what was technologically possible. Declassified files reveal sketches and plans that hint at the incredible potential of these propulsion systems, which continue to inspire and intrigue scientists and enthusiasts alike. Even spacecraft designs in shows like Lost in Space bore a striking resemblance to government prototypes. Coincidence? Or subtle inspiration from real-world advancements? The US government has always denied any connection to these shows, yet many believe that sci-fi was used to condition the public for eventual revelations about secret programs, or even extraterrestrial contact. Fiction or foresight? The 1960s showed us the possibilities of the future and perhaps a glimpse of hidden realities. Subscribe to MGO TV1 for more stories that challenge what we think we know.